Okay, how HRS Pro deals with grouping records together in a parent-child scenario. We'll go to the Company tab and go into any record, and you'll notice that we have this Groups tab here, which allows us to choose from some of the groups we already have preset in the system. What I'm going to do is find a record that has a couple of records that could be associated together in any form of a group. So I'll go back to list view just so we can see the results. Doing Control F on my keyboard. HSBC I know is a bunch of records that we have, and we've got a Newcastle, London, Edinburgh set here. Go into this record and you'll see that we have a few contacts from each lined up there, and it's as simple as that, a few contacts. So if we go into the groups now, you'll see we've linked this HRS head office as a group, and we now have the three HRS companies together, and instead of seeing individual contacts, we can now see all the related contacts within that group. We can make any one of these records the primary, so if I say go to the Newcastle office, I just need to click on the little tick box, and now the Newcastle office is actually the parent group of this group of companies. Now very simply I can just add another record to this. So let's create a new record by clicking on the new button. I'm going to call this HSBC as well. This time I'll just put in the city. So let's choose another city, Glasgow for example, and that's obviously in the UK. So I'm just being very quick. We're going to do some shortcuts here. I won't fill in any information. I'm going to add a contact to this particular company, which is I'll call it. Oops, sorry, I'm going to type in the field. It would help. I'll call it Danny Smith. I won't put any extra details in, just to show you we've got a Danny Smith there. Now if I go to the Groups tab, sorry, I'll make this one a little bit smaller. Now if I go to the Groups tab, I can add this particular company to the HSBC group, and you'll now see we've got London, Newcastle, Edinburgh and Glasgow as part of that list, and Danny Smith is one of the people that shows up in that group of records. It's really as simple as that.